Hey guys. Hey, I thought that I would make a little video here today just to kind of get you guys up to speed with what's been going on and what is about to happen. If you're feeling stressed, you're not alone. I want you guys to know that. I think a lot of people are feeling stressed right now. But I want to stress to you, don't stress. I'm going to keep this video short. So I just want you guys to know that today, tomorrow, we are uploading the last enrichment assignments to Teams for the first time. So if you guys haven't logged into Teams to see what that looks like, give it a go, get used to it. But understand, starting on May 4th, you're going to start seeing your teachers uploading new content, the stuff that we should have gotten to this year and never got to. So the key is right now, log in if you can, see if you can't figure out how to use it, troubleshoot it, let us know if things aren't going the way that you think that they should be going, and give us feedback. This is the first time that we're assigning mass assignments to classes, so it's important to get your feedback. But the real key here to understanding all of this and why we're doing this is, I get it. Some of you guys are saying, oh, it doesn't even count, it doesn't matter. And you're right, but your teachers next year are not going to be able to back up 2 or 3 months worth of instruction to start their school year. So the material that we cover at the end of this year is really geared to getting you guys in the best place possible to start next year. The other thing you have to keep in mind, and it's a terrible reality, but I'm just going to say it anyway, is we may have a shutdown in the fall again. When flu season starts back up, if they shut us down again, we could be in our houses. This time, nobody was prepared. Nobody was ready. But in the fall, using Microsoft Teams, we should be ready. So it's important right now, when a lot of this doesn't really count as far as whether it's pass or fail for the year, that you guys give it a shot. Start experimenting with it, because if this comes around in the fall, you're going to be expected to know how to use it. Okay? As always, guys, if you have any questions, feel free, give me a shout, email me. Understand, if you're feeling stressed, I get it. We're feeling stressed too. This is brand new for us, and I want you guys to know that. So take a deep breath, take it easy. We're going to get through this together, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Take care.